Office hazards, meeting guidelines, goals. This safety session should teach employees to recognize and avoid potential office safety hazards. Number 1, offices contain many potential hazards that can cause injuries. The most common include slips, trips, and falls, falling objects, electrical shock or fire, punctures from sharp tools and material, and back injuries from lifting. Number 2, practice good housekeeping to prevent slips, trips, and falls. Remove or immediately report unsafe conditions such as boxes, supplies, briefcases, or other items on floors or in aisles, spills from coffee, water, rain, etc., cords from phones, lights, computers, and other equipment, open drawers, or torn or loose flooring materials. Number 3, avoid careless and unsafe acts that could cause slips, trips, and falls. Walk, don't run in halls and aisles. Don't carry loads you can't see over. Use handrails going up and down stairs. When you sit, be sure all chair legs are on the floor. Don't tilt back or stretch beyond arm's length, and reach high places by standing on a ladder, not a desk, chair, or box. Number 4, organize work areas to prevent injuries from falling objects. Avoid file cabinet tip over by placing the heaviest materials in bottom drawers. Place computers, calculators, and other desktop equipment on rubber mats to avoid equipment creep. Don't place unsecured objects, such as files, on high shelves. Number 5, practice electrical safety to prevent fires and shock. Don't overload outlets. Minimize the use of extension cords. Match plugs to outlets, for example, 3-pronged to 3-pronged. Report and don't use electrical equipment with frayed or damaged cords or wires. Number 6, take precautions with sharp objects to prevent puncture injuries. Cover sharps like scissors and razor blades when not in use. Don't walk while carrying an uncovered sharp. Don't point sharps at another person, and be careful how you handle and store staples, push pins, and thumbtacks. Number 7, minimize lifting to avoid back injuries. Get dollies and/or train personnel to move equipment, furniture, or supplies. Lift only what you can manage easily. Don't overestimate your strength. Lift correctly so your legs do the work, not your back. Squat next to loads with knees bent. Push up slowly with back straight, bringing the load close to your body. Walk with small steps, making sure you can see where you're going. Number 8, be prepared to act quickly in an emergency. Know where to find and how to use fire alarms and extinguishers. Make sure nothing blocks fire exits. Leave immediately via your assigned evacuation route when an alarm sounds. Discussion point. Ask participants to look around your office area and identify potential hazards and explain how they would eliminate them. Conclusion. Injuries occur in offices because of unsafe conditions and acts. Office safety requires staying alert for potential hazards and avoiding careless acts that can cause accidents. Office safety. Regularly inspect lighting and equipment. Office safety checklist. Keeping the office safe is as easy as doing a little general housekeeping. A few examples of these are closing file drawers as soon as you walk away, making sure the top filing drawers are not overloaded, making the cabinet top-heavy, making sure electrical outlets are not overloaded, cleaning up any messes immediately, following the 8 steps to a safe lift, keeping floors and aisles clear, reporting damaged flooring and making signs to alert others, minimizing extension cord use and picking them up immediately after use, turning in damaged electrical equipment. If you see a sharp that needs covering, don't ignore it. Do not block fire exits or alarms. Using a ladder to reach high places and putting the ladder away when done. Do not burn candles. If you see a potential hazard, pick or clean it up immediately. Don't use any chemicals that you don't have MSDS, material safety data sheets, for. Read labels and follow directions for all chemical products. If cleaning, use the proper PPE, personal protective equipment. Payroll stuffers. Avoiding office dangers. Keep file drawers closed. Avoid overloading outlets. Clean up messes immediately. Avoid overloading top filing drawers. Practice safe lifting techniques. Lift so your legs do the work. Keep floors and aisles clear. Use equipment or help when lifting heavy items. Use handrails when climbing stairs. Report damaged flooring. Minimize extension cord use. Turn in damaged electrical equipment. Cover sharps when not in use. Do not block fire exits or alarms. Use a ladder to reach high places. Keep all chair legs on the floor and carry only loads you can see over.